Hi you guys, it's your girl Ree and I am back with another video. Yeah, for everybody that's new, my name is Ree. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like this video and subscribe. I feel like it's been so long since I've done a video for you guys. I just been in my head a little bit about YouTube and what's been going on. I really feel like I just need to get in my bag because my content is always so good. So it's like, why not, you know? My last lash video, couple lash videos that I did, they just randomly started doing really good. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and check those out because those are still good techniques. But I thought I owed it to y'all to show y'all my new technique and how I got these flawless, like get into it. It's giving I laid down on the lash table. Yeah, and I didn't. So yeah, get with it or get lost, baby. Let me stop chatting. Let's get right into this video. Watching all the way to the end, I will not disappoint you. If you wanna do this moment is perfect. Let's go on and do it. Oh my goodness, and I'm in the mood. Yeah, just best that we undress and go on and do it. All right, y'all. So here, as you can see, I am looking like a naked mole rat. I ain't got no lashes on, but we about to fix that. So these are the lashes that I use, and I get them from Amazon. These are the 9D, as you can see, 10. I'm gonna drop the link below if you're interested. They are my faves. Just look at the quality. It's EM. So yeah, so these are the strips that I use, and I cut them up. You're gonna see that in a second. So I start off by cutting off the first piece in the beginning, which is the smallest piece. Okay, you're gonna take that piece and you're gonna put glue. You can use the glue of your choice. I use this glue just because it's what I have, but it is a little itchy after a while, so I think I'm going to start using a different glue. If y'all have any glue suggestions, let me know, like what's the best glue or like what's your fave. So when you do this, you want to make sure you have a really steady hand and just be patient with this whole process. So I just take the brush and I put it underneath my lash line on the bottom. And then you just want to be really steady. You don't want to get it on the pink part of your eye. You only want to get it on the direct lash line. And it's okay to get some of it in the hair because when you do stick the pieces of the lash extensions on it, it's going to be sticking to your hair. So that's perfect. All right, so then you're going to take some more glue and you're going to put it on the top of the lash that you just cut off. You're going to put it on the top piece, okay? Okay. Once you do that and you feel like you got enough on there, as you can see, I'm blowing it. You want to blow it just a little bit so that the more drier it is, the tackier. Like, you don't want it super dry, but you want it to get a little bit tacky. Okay, so once you get that done, you want to grab your tweezers and you're going to place them exactly where the start of what your glue, the glue line that you just put on, starts. You want to make sure that when you do this, you push up in a position because it's going to stick to the hair, like I said before, and it should not move. It should not be like pulling off. It should be glued on. Like, that is guaranteed. So then we're going to do the same thing again. You're going to take your lashes, and there's no specifics. I kind of just cut where I feel comfortable and what size I feel like is going to fit in the next area. So then you're literally going to go in and do the same exact thing. I kind of like to overlap just a little bit just to add like the fluffy effect. So sometime throughout this video, you might see me like add a little bit like on top of the other one. It just gives it that like effect, you know? So like I said, you want to push in an upward position and just look at how they look. Like, you can't see the lash line from the top, and the way the curve is of these lashes, I just love them. So perfect. And then literally, y'all, you just continue the same steps until you get to the end. One thing I can honestly say is I do want to start using another glue. Don't get me wrong, the hair glue always does it for me with the lashes, but it's just like it makes my eyes water. That's one thing I've noticed about it. So I definitely, like, once I drop another video concerning like a lash tip, I'll probably be using like a different kind of glue. Look at how them things look though. Like, what? They look good already. But yeah, like, I just be having issues with like itchiness sometimes, especially doing the underneath method. The itchiness is like, y'all, so unbearable. And then not only that, it's just like my eyes are sensitive sometimes. So also when you do this method, you want to be so careful because you are so close to your eyes. So if you don't trust yourself, don't do it, girl. Another thing that I realized about this glue is that like it dries so quick. Y'all know how hair glue is. It just be drying out. So like you constantly have to like add more. And that's kind of annoying. Like, so I'm literally doing the same thing again. I'm gonna cut. So when you get to the end, right, you're literally not gonna need that last piece that you just cut off. For me, I don't need it. But if you have bigger eyes, then of course. I like to leave a little bit on the ends because my eyes tend to look droopy when I have too many lashes, like going all the way to the end of my waterline. Like, it just be looking droopy, girl. It's not the look. So you want to hold it there for a little bit, and then kind of, obviously you can tell that I overlapped it, but it's not like, you got to position them, you know, you got to play around with them and stuff. So that's what I'm doing here. And keep in mind that this is not my first time doing the underneath method. Like, I've done it plenty times. So if it is your first time, like I said, just be really careful. Be patient with yourself. Like, allow yourself to make mistakes and just don't get frustrated. Like, it's a process that will be frustrating. Your eyes is probably going to water. A tip that I can give you though is do not use a fan while you're doing it, because me personally, I have watery eyes and they will just start crying, and water and glue do not mix. So that just is not going to go well. So here I am showing y'all the lashes. So sometimes I fluff them out, and in the end of the video, I'm definitely going to like comb them, try to make them look all nice and fresh. But I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up because I'm doing the same exact thing. So I'm going to cut. And if you pay attention, in between the lashes, there are spaces. You can reference to those spaces to where you want to cut. So that kind of makes it easier. So I'm not gonna lie, like most of the time when I do this method and I do my lashes, I like to pre-cut them. So here I'm just literally cutting all the pieces and then I'm going to start applying them on. Sometimes if I'm in a rush, it's like it just works out so much faster for me. So before y'all go and start making the negative comments, I have nice, healthy lashes, okay? So don't be a hater in the comments. If it's not for you, it's not for you. That's very understandable. But don't try to make me feel bad, because when I go out, the girlie's always asking me, who did your lashes? So obviously I'm doing something right. Remember the tips, y'all. So push upward when you're applying it, and it is okay to get the glue on your actual lashes because it'll stick better and it'll look better. If you haven't subscribed or gave this video a thumbs up by now, what you doing, girl? Pause this video, make sure you show me some love. If you have learned anything from me, at least show me some love. But if you guys have any questions or anything concerning lashes, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you check out my last lash video. That might be something that might be like more up your alley instead of doing all of these extra steps. So then I just brush through them, make them look nice, and bomb. Just like that, in less than 10 minutes, y'all. Literally less than 10 minutes. I'm already feeling myself and I got a full set of lashes on. Don't play with me. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. If you have made it this far, I really appreciate it, and I hope this video helped you guys. And if you do use my technique, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see you guys, because I am in love with this technique. I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely giving I don't need no lash tech. Yeah, and I had to put my girls on. So yes, thank you guys. Until next time. Bye.
No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move.